In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to restore a Google Home Mini smart speaker to factory settings. You have to press and hold down on this button right here. This is not a touch button, it's an actual button. Now this button is small, so make sure that it's actually pressed. Now when you press and hold it down, make sure you feel a click so that the button is actually pressed.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
Continue to press and hold down the button. Okay, now you can let go of the button.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
And there you go. It has been restored to factory settings. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.